Ngumiti si Cruella, hindi ngiti ng pagkatalo, kundi ng isang abogadong may dalang bomba. However, she said, turning back to the screen, when our forensic experts enhanced and frame analyzed the video, we discovered a critical inconsistency. If you look closely, the movements of the person in the footage doesn't match the behavior of the shadow beside him. Nagpause sila saglit, saka itinuro ang parteng may anino. If you notice, the subject in the footage is moving erratically, parang nagwawala, but the shadow remains still. Walang matching gestures, walang galaw. And based on the direction of the lighting captured in the same clip, that shadow shouldn't even fall that way. May mga bulungan sa loob ng courtroom. Nakita ni Cruella ang biglang pagkunot ng noo ni Judge Miranda. Si Attorney Espiritu naman ay nawala sa ayos at tila kinabahan. Nagpatuloy si Cruella. Our independent forensic report concluded